Today, we feel an overwhelming sense of relief for Constable Jordan MacWillliams, for his family, for the men and women of the Delta Police Department, and indeed for police officers all across Canada. The charges laid by direct indictment had the potential to deeply impact police across Canada, both operationally and psychologically. As police officers, we are called upon to make instantaneous life and death decisions. We sometimes encounter violent situations that force us to react in a manner to protect the public and ourselves. Police officers across Canada continue to sign on to this job each and every day, knowing that they will face the risk and the resulting scrutiny. I believe that none of us start our tour of duty with the intention to cause harm to another person. In fact, our singular purpose is to keep our citizens safe and deal with crime and public disorder. Split-second decisions made in the course of our duties will be the subject of intense scrutiny. They'll hold us accountable for the actions for many years thereafter. While no other profession is under the microscope to the same degree as policing, no other role in society is granted the same powers as the police. With our powers, we must also accept this scrutiny. In this case, Constable MacWillliams has faced criminal charges which have been stayed, but he is still subject of a civil court process and the Police Act process. I will say that I respect and understand the role of Crown Counsel and the Independent Investigations Office. I do support civilian oversight and believe it's a necessary function of maintaining public trust and public confidence. We are confident in today's decision from the Criminal Justice Branch to stay the charges against Constable Jordan MacWillliams. One of the core values of the Delta Police Department is in fact courage, and we define courage as our ability to overcome adversity. Through these difficult and adverse times, the men and women of the Delta Police Department have held their heads up high and maintained the integrity of our profession. I'm very proud of them. I'd be remiss not to acknowledge and to thank the community of Delta for the incredible outpouring of support the Delta Police Department has received during this time. The support extended far beyond the borders of this province and all across Canada. In addition, I'd like to thank the Police Board, Mayor and City Council of Delta as well for their incredible support during these trying times.